Good evening. We are going to work on some trigger point work. So we're going to aim for 3 different sites on your body. First of all, the calf. So this is the biggest tendon in your body, so it needs some love. All I'm doing here is I have the roller directly underneath, really the middle of my calf. I'm applying a little bit of downward pressure with the top leg. Stay on the ground. We want as little tension in the body as possible. You can move your foot around ever so slightly, seeing how that changes, that experience, that feeling. Even small motions side to side. You can move around the muscle a little bit. You're looking for sensitive or sticky spots. Move slightly side to side. Do your best to relax the muscle. Let's change sides. So same thing on the other side. Trying to find an area of the muscle, the tendon, the connective tissue. Feels a little spicy, sensitive. Move around, small movements. Keep the muscle relaxed. This work is really important for the hydration of your tissue. Your tissue might be like beef jerky, a bit too dry. We want the tissue hydrated and healthy. It's going to be great for the longevity of the muscle, and also it's going to improve your recovery. Nice. So now we've done the calf, we've done the lower leg. We're going to move to the inner thigh, your adductors. So you're going to lay down on the ground, having one leg off to the side. Again, you want to find a position that's relaxing, that's you're comfortable in. Move up and down the inner thigh ever so slightly, searching for, again, areas that are sensitive. We're not looking for pain. If it is a little too intense, just bring a bit more weight off the roller and into the ground. You can move the leg ever so slightly. And just nice, calm breaths. Let's just chill out here. Envision your muscle releasing, the connective tissue letting go. About 30 seconds on each point will certainly suffice. Beautiful. I'm going to change sides here. You do the same. So I'm just lying down, face down, comfortable position, leg out to the side, rolling out these adductors. Now these are huge muscles in your upper leg, so it's important to give them some love. Remember, calm breaths, relax as best you can. Really commit. Should feel good. Small movements. And we're not going to pain. We just want to find a sensitive area, breathe into it, envision that area releasing. Now I'm going to transition to my glutes. So coming up, I'm going to take the roller. I'm going to find the outside of my glute. So right about here, I like to think of it as the corner of my butt. So coming down onto the ground, and you're just going to sit right with that lateral compartment of your glute on the roller. Again, relax. Feel that tissue. Move around ever so slightly. Maybe a little bit more to the outside of that glute. Find a nice sticky spot and just work in there. Small movements. Could be left and right, forward and back, or even small circles. Staying still will work as well. Great. Let's just move on to the other side. General rule, about 30 seconds on each side and you're going to get a response. So here, remember, we're trying to hydrate the muscle, hydrate the tissue, as well as create a sensory connection from your brain to these areas of your body. Nice calm breaths. Seeing as it's the end of the day, we want to down-regulate your system. So taking this information with you when you go to bed, it's going to be great for your body. Nice. So that was a little bit of trigger point work. Now we're just going to finish with some calm breaths. What I want you to do is I want you to lie down. Position that feels comfortable to you on your back. Lengthen your legs. I'm just going to place my hands on my belly. Let the feet fall open. Close your eyes. All I want here is nice breaths in through your nose. Feel your midsection inflate, and then a long, drawn-out exhalation. Same thing again. In through the nose, and then a long exhalation through the mouth. Really take your time with this. You want to feel your midsection expand 360 degrees. Try and bypass the chest cavity. Think of a belt around your midsection, right about where your belly button is. On the inhalations, you're trying to push into that belt. And again, follow that with a long, drawn-out exhalation. Now let's inhale together. We're going to take 7 seconds to do that. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Long exhalation. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Once more. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now I just want you to continue that same tempo. We're just completely down-regulating your system, preparing you for bed. Inhale, exhale. Beautiful. So let's just leave it there for now. Should be feeling great. Slowly come back. So slowly opening your eyes, feeling your surroundings, feeling the ground beneath you. That feels nice. So now we've done some soft tissue work. That's hydrated your muscle and your connective tissue. We've also connected the brain and the body with that trigger point work and down-regulated the system with the breathing. You're going to have a fantastic night's sleep. Enjoy.